Welcome everybody, it's Monday, just after 12 p.m. local time here in the UK on the 8th of May. There were no events or announcements in the calendar this morning that might have been expected to spark significant market volatility, so we will go straight to the currency charts for this morning's Forex market. On the euro-dollar pair, the pair had little activity from 8 a.m, but at 9:45 a.m. the euro declined sharply against the dollar by 24 pips, before recovering to around 10 pips above the session open price. In summary, the session opened at 1.1041 euros to the dollar and closed the morning at 1.1051 euros to the dollar, reaching a high of 1.1056 and a low of 1.1028 euros to the dollar. This gave a total range of 28 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 9.7609 pips. On the pound-dollar pair, the pound opened short against the dollar with a 16-pip move and double bottom that tested the 1.263 level before entering an ascending channel. In summary, the session opened at 1.2648 pounds to the dollar and closed the morning at 1.2663 pounds to the dollar, reaching a high of 1.2668 and a low of 1.2633 pounds to the dollar. This gave a total range of 35 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 15.7 pips. On the dollar-Swissy pair, there was a ranging market throughout the morning, with a 20-pip rise of the dollar against the Swissy at around 9:45 a.m, before returning to around 10 pips below the session open price. In summary, the session opened at $0.8894 to the Swiss franc and closed the morning at $0.8885 to the Swiss franc, reaching a high of $0.8895 and a low of $0.8867 to the Swiss franc. This gave a total range of 28 pips over the morning, and the price went down by 9.5 pips. On the dollar-yen pair, the dollar opened strong against the yen with a 29-pip move, going into a double top at $135 to the yen, and which broke through resistance shortly before midday. In summary, the session opened at $134.714 to the yen and closed the morning at $135.001 to the yen, reaching a high of $135.091 and a low of $134.638 to the yen. This gave a total range of 45 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 28.7 pips. On the Aussie dollar pair, there was a ranging market with a low volume of trade, and the Aussie ascended around 20 pips over the course of the morning. In summary, the session opened at 0.6775 Australian dollars to the US dollar and closed the morning at 0.6795 Australian dollars to the US dollar, reaching a high of 0.6797 and a low of 0.6775 Australian dollars to the US dollar. This gave a total range of 22 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 19.9 pips. On the Kiwi dollar pair, the Kiwi went short against the dollar on open until around 9 a.m, when it rose by around 35 pips in a broadening ascending channel. In summary, the session opened at 0.6312 New Zealand dollars to the US dollar and closed the morning at 0.6348 New Zealand dollars to the US dollar, reaching a high of 0.6348 and a low of 0.6312 New Zealand dollars to the US dollar. This gave a total range of 35 pips over the morning, and the price went up by 35.2603 pips. On the dollar-loonie pair, the dollar traded in a descending channel throughout the morning, which was around 30 pips below the open price at midday. In summary, the session opened at 1.3368 US dollars to the Canadian dollar and closed the morning at 1.3337 US dollars to the Canadian dollar, reaching a high of 1.3371 and a low of 1.3331 US dollars to the Canadian dollar. This gave a total range of 40 pips over the morning, and the price went down by 30.6 pips. Well, that's it from us here in the UK. Have a great day. We're off for lunch.